All right, guys, box 3. Box 3, here we go. Ohtani, Felix Jorge, Josh Donaldson, Pilar, and for the Rays, Hunter Wood. Hunter Wood for the Rays. You can see if you look in the reflection of the card, you can see my shirt. Rays, come on. Okay. Glaber, Robles, Max Fried, Dominic Smith, Cespedes, Kenta, Maeda. Out of 75 for the Dodgers. Out there, Trevor Williams for the Pirates. Manny Machado, Francisco Lindor, Mike Trout. Trey Mancini, Freddie Freeman, and Freddie Freeman. Not sure why they were sitting there like that, but there they were. Freddie Freeman pack. Tayron Guerrero for the Miami Mullets. Glaber Prism, nice card. Ahmed Rosario. Frazier. Judge Refractor. Jake Lamb. Syndergaard. Breivik Valera Refractor Auto for the Cardinals. Rhys Hoskins. Marquez Refractor. Anthony Banda. Negative. Mookie Betts. Oh, got another redemption. John Lester. All right, let's see what we got. You ready? Wow, Yankees, Clint Frazier, nice card. Nice card for the Yankees. All right, guys. That was box 3. So, Clint Frazier for the Yankees. Anthony Banda, Breivik Valera Refractor Auto. Glaber, also for the Yankees. Tayron Guerrero for the Miami Mullets. Trevor Williams for the Pirates. Maeda to 75. Hunter Wood for the Rays. And an Ohtani. So, nice. That was a good box. Spread that one out a little bit. Unlike the one that had the three Braves autos. All right, guys, let me save your video, and then we're going straight to box 4. Hey, Mosquito, what's up, buddy?